Hey guys, this is your buddy Rome. In this video, I'm going to show you guys a really cool photo case that was sent out to me by Start RC. Now, what I really like about this case is going to be ideal for your GoPro cameras, your action cameras, and it has an integrated lock system built into this little case. So as you guys can look here in the front, you can see we have our TSA 007 lock. Comes with the key as well as a combination style lock, which is really nice. You have a really nice integrated handle, double latches here. You also have the keyholes already pre-cut, and that's going to be for your locking. If you want to put like a padlock or something like that on here, you can do that. So let's take a look inside. As you guys can see, the lid locks forward, so it's going to stay upright. You don't have to worry about it flopping over. It's a really nice hinge system in here. It comes with a little starter card to kind of give you an idea of how you can utilize this case for all of your different accessories. Now, what I like about this is a two-part case. That means you can take this section out, and then inside you have pull foam that you can go in and additionally add other things to it. And if we look here on the back, we have our pressure gauge on the back of this one. So that's really nice as well. So they didn't leave the pressure gauge out of this one. Now, this section here is designed for different size cameras and other accessories you might have with it. There is a little section here that you can pull out. So if you have a larger camera, maybe something that has like a media mod on it, you should be able to fit that in depending on how you have the cameras configured. Standard size cages are going to fit in there perfectly with no problem. And then of course you can add a bunch of other accessories in here, including batteries. So you can have all the things that you need right away. When you're first going out, you need your batteries, maybe your floating device or something like that. You want to quickly be able to grab it, take it out of the case. And then you can also add additional things, as I said before, underneath here. And I think this is only one level, but let's check. So let's pull this out. Yeah, so that's one level of the foam, but as you guys can see, it is that push foam, so you can just kind of pluck whatever you need out of here. That's really nice. I like this a lot. So in a nutshell, I think this is a great little case, especially for my content creators out there that's always on the go. This is going to be ideal to take out with you on location. I like these little handles. They just kind of fold back in there. Then you can lock this guy. You can set the combination yourself, that. Just go inside this little switch, and there's instructions on how to set up the combination. Lock this guy down, and you're ready to travel. So if you're looking for a portable case, very rugged, really nice hinge system, this might be exactly what you're looking for. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I just want to show you guys this really cool case real quick here and, inspire you guys to get out there and start creating content. All right, guys, I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.